This is starting section 2.2, calculators and trig functions of an acute angle. In this section, we will be using calculators to find trig values of angles between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. We need to look at degree measure in more detail before we use the calculator. Every degree can be divided into 60 minutes, and every minute can be divided into 60 seconds. A majority of our angles, we will have measures in degrees and minutes. Let's take a look at some angle measures, and we will be adding them. 25 degrees, 42 minutes, plus 18 degrees, 17 minutes. I'm going to start by writing the problem vertically. 25 degrees, 42 minutes, plus 18 degrees, 17 minutes. And then we can go ahead and add. 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. That's 59 minutes. Now for our degrees. 8 plus 5 is 13, so 3 carry the 1, and then that gives us 4. So 25 degrees, 42 minutes, plus 18 degrees, 17 minutes, gives us a total of 43 degrees, 59 minutes. Take a look at the second example. Then, going to write it vertically. 64 degrees, 38 minutes, plus 43 degrees, 37 minutes. I'm going to start with adding up my minutes. So 8 plus 7 is 15, so 5 carry the 1, and then that column, 3, 3, and 1 gives us 7. 75 minutes. Now we'll add our degrees. 4 plus 3 gives us 7, and 6 and 4 gives us 10. So we have our total of 107 degrees and 75 minutes. However, our minutes number cannot be more than 60. As we learned on the previous page, 1 degree equals 60 minutes. So I'm going to subtract 60 minutes from this 75 and convert it over to 1 degree. So that would give me 108 degrees. So when I subtract 60 from the 75, that leaves me with 15. Oops, I meant to write minutes there. So 108 degrees, 15 minutes. Now let's take a look at subtracting. So then I'm going to write the problem vertically. So 85 degrees, 47 minutes, minus 26 degrees, 13 minutes. So starting with my minutes. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then I can go to my degrees. Oh, I'm going to have to borrow here. So 15 minus 6 gives me 9. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 59 degrees, 34 minutes. Let's take a look at our second problem. 85 degrees, 12 minutes, minus 41 degrees, 50 minutes. When I go to subtract the minutes, I cannot subtract 50 from 12. So we will have to borrow. So we are borrowing from the degrees. So this goes from 85 degrees to 84 degrees. But since every degree is 60 minutes, I'm going to add 60 to my 12. So now this is 72 minutes. So now my problem is 84 degrees, 72 minutes, minus 41 degrees, 50 minutes. So I wrote it there so you can see or easily what we are doing. Alright, so let's subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. That's our minutes. And then our degrees. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. So 43 degrees, 22 minutes is what we get.